Do you know that India play with 12 players against the Pakistan in T20 match? Yes, 12 players. Who are the 12 players? 11 players are the regular players and the 12th player which is very powerful, very secret, and that is Mahadeva blessing. Yes, Mahashivratri. On Sunday there is Mahashivratri, there is a match also. Mahashivratri means there is a flow of positive energy from the spine to brain. From the spine to brain there is a flow of positive energy. So this positive energy also affect Indian players. So why I call the 12th player is as Mahadeva blessings or this spiritual energy. So share this new concept to the maximum devotee and cricket fans that at Mahashivratri, the 12th invisible man means Mahadeva blessing with us. So we can win the match against the Pakistan. What a fantastic imagination. So share and if you like subscribe. Har Har Mahadev. Share, thanks.